welcome back to Playtime with Moikey. Today we have Prisoner Transport 5 to 12.
196 pieces.
196 pieces.
Show the camera what you have. Prisoner Transporter.
Actually, the number is 60043. Now I'm gonna be telling the numbers of the set. So you want to go get this one, you just have to write like all the numbers I say and then write on the paper. Well, I mean what I mean is whenever I say this, you can put on a sticky note, and then if you look for the same number on your sticky note, then you'll be able to get the right set, which is 60043. Now let's start building. Okay, let's see how many bags. Bag 1, the instruction paper, then this. And bag 5.
2. It says 2, not 5.
What? Oh my god. Oh,
You're reading it backwards.
Oh, there it goes. And the stickers, of course. Jay's gonna have to help me with the stickers, right, Jay? Yeah, coming. Oh, wait a minute, you just leave it over here. We don't have the box.
What's the instructions? What do you start with? Bag 1 or bag 2?
Wait, let me tell you. Give me a minute. I need to start with, wait, give me a minute. I need to start with bag 1. Is that the one you're opening? Mm-hmm. And bag 1. I got more instructions than on that. Bag 1.
You open those, bro?
Yeah, I opened these.
Here you go, Mikey.
Yeah, don't open any other bag. By the way, oh Mom, look, there's 2 keys.
Be careful right there. You don't lose them because we're sitting. Look, Mikey, you have to sit still on the couch because you move a lot. You gotta remember that this.
One of these keys, I think there's an extra just in case. See, I only need one of these, so I'm gonna throw this in here because I only need one.
Right.
And then I'm gonna throw the other one in here too. Oh my god, how big is this? Go away, Shane. Like, oh, there it is. I like how the detail of all the Lego sets are normally just normal type of detail. This one has just a little bit of a keenish detail, but to me it's okay because I like it. I had to get rid of one of my num-nums, which was embarrassing. In the other video, you saw it, the num-nums video. If you like the num-num video, go back to the num-num video and subscribe. You little YouTubers. YouTuber giant. Oh, Mom, look, the wrecking ball. It's like something really big that you put on something and it makes it really heavy. the set's completed. The first feature is this guy can grapple hook onto here. You just have to put it on. And then the second thing you do is, oh my god. It's not really that good of an expensive toy, but it's still pretty awesome. And it was not that expensive. Okay. Got to try it from this. Okay, what the heck is this socket? What is that? What is that? What is that for? After that, you have to pull the truck, and that's supposed to come out, and then the robber can get out. You see how it broke? The window. And now they're putting back the window. And now the robber can escape with the key to unlock the door. You got the key. What do you want? What do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas? You want to reset it? You just go here and put the robber in. And you should be able to reset it. And you'll be able to rehook. So simply how I told you, you just have to oh, come on, please. The window. You can destroy both windows on each side, by the way. And then the robber can escape. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. If you did, make sure to press subscribe button. Goodbye.